There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack wide body in pitch black. With HID headlamps, shaker hood by MOPAR, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo front brakes, wide body competition suspension, SRT performance spoiler, heated and ventilated front seats, flat bottom steering wheel, 5,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SRT configurable drive modes, split folding rear seats, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8637A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.